India's Adivasi tribes make up nearly 10% of the country's population. Although the Adivasi have been in India for thousands of years, many still live in poor villages in remote tribal areas where ancient patriarchal attitudes still prevail. The Asian Circle is a network of successful British Asian women dedicated to working towards gender equality in South Asia. The women of the Asian Circle visited India in February 2015 to see the Oxfam projects they support in the villages of Orissa and Chhattisgarh.
We just don't know what's actually going to be out there, how we're going to be received. These 12 British women that have just come out here, it's really about women helping women.
I'm 45 years old, you grow up and you think, hold on now, it's time for me to sort of give back and learn a little bit more about what's going on in this world, not live this sheltered life in a city.
It's my turn to do something, maybe be part of something bigger than myself.
The group's itinerary took in many villages, the first of which was Pithora, where an Oxfam project fighting violence against women, funded by the Asian Circle, has only been running for a few months. Even though it's early days, the project already seems to be having an effect, especially in the lives of one couple.
कि मुर्गा दे, मछली दे, अंडा दे, तो अपन कमाई तो दारू पियाती तो मैं कहाँ से ला कर दूँ?
हम बच्चों को 4 मेरा बच्चे हैं, जितना खाना बर्तन में उनको धो देते हूँ.
It also seems to have got the men of the village to start reflecting on their attitudes towards the women of their community.
बत वाली बात में भी धोखाधड़ी उनके साथ होता है, तो यूथ वाकई जवान लोग संगठित होके इन सारी चीजों को रोक सकते हैं.
I'm actually surprised. They've done some really good work here, quite progressive. There's a lot more that should be done, but still nice to see that they've made so much progress in a few months, 7 months.
But it takes time for things to change, as Santoshi made clear when she shared her story. As a girl, Santoshi married and went to live with her in-laws, full of expectation. It was then that the beating started.
मोर सास दारू वारू पी के हमेशा मोला ताना मारे, तो बोलिस कि मैं तोला यहाँ नहीं रखूँ करके मोल गाली गलौज करे, और बच्चा नहीं होते करके भी मोला तकलीफ दी माँ बेटा. तो 5 साल बाद में मोला.
Eventually, Santoshi ran away and returned home.
तभी तो मैं जब से राजिम दीदी के पास आना जाना कर रहा था कोई भी मीटिंग में, तब मोला हिम्मत मिली से, नहीं तो पास नहीं हो, कहीं भी मार भी दी तो मोर जान के कौन जिम्मेदारी ही. ओला सजा मिले हो ताकि वो काकरो जिंदगी खराब मत कर सके.
Very emotional one because it brought back some memories for me, being in a relationship similar to that. I was just controlled. And when you're in that situation and you're so young like she is, it seems like there's no way out. Start thinking about, is it my fault? I was lucky. I got out of it. I said to her that you can do it. But she's helped me in a funny way, even now, after all these years. That man who did what he did to her doesn't know what he's lost.
डरेंगे, हम न डरेंगे।
घरेलू हिंसा अत्याचार हम न सहेंगे,
घरेलू हिंसा अत्याचार हम न सहेंगे।
जहाँ हक न मिले।
On day 4, we visited the village of Mahasamand, 3 hours drive from the capital of Chhattisgarh, Raipur, where a project on women's rights has been running for 2 years now. And some significant changes were there for all to see. When yet another drunken husband beat up his wife, the women felt empowered to get together and take action.
कितना दारू पकड़ा थो, घर घर के दारू पकड़ा थो, किस झगड़ा करे बाबू पीला में। अरे ये मन सब फेंका है, मारूंगा पीटूंगा कह के सारी लौठी धर के दौड़ी।
At every stage of the trip, we met women and girls with extraordinary stories to tell. This is Gayatri's.
वही तो झाड़ू पोछा, खाना पकाना, बाहर का काम करना, फिर बाहर से आके घर का काम करना या तो खेत में चले जाना। पढ़ लिख कर और मेरी पढ़ाई अभी तो रुक गई है फिलहाल, शायद मुझे लगता है वो भी दूर हो जाएगा। मैंने आप लोगों से सिखाया है, इस लोक संगठन कार्य करने वाले दीदी बहनों से सीखा। थैंक यू।
We felt hopeful returning to Raipur, but the next story we heard underlined how much still needs to change. When Menka failed to return from school one day, her parents searched high and low, but it wasn't until the following morning that they learned what had happened.
17 तारीख के 10-11 बज गए, यह दिन है 12 बज गए, 12 से 1 बजे तब दिनेश सरपंच वहाँ का स्वरमाल का फांसी हुआ है। एक लड़की एक हमारे गांव में फ़ोन करी, एक लड़की फांसी हो गया है बर का पेड़ में पट्टा में, ऐसे के फ़ोन करी बस्ती में। वो मैं भुला था। अब हम जब पहली रिपोर्ट किए ना रात में, स्पीकर वाले आवेदन लगाए कि डबल पीएम होना चाहिए, डब्बा में पैक करके लेगा है। और उसके बाद 15 दिन कोमा खान थाना में वो बिसरा को रखे। हम गए यह नहीं हुए हैं ना, लड़का 10 दिन मात्रा मतलब अंदर हो रही, उसके बाद छूट के आगे पूरा कोमा खान के थाना वाला पूरा दबा दिया, सब पूरा केस। डॉक्टर
पहली बार सुने में है, तब मैं कहता ते ले गए ते वो सब काम करके वो हटांगे मार के, वो तो फांसी हो रही कहते थे, तो वो काटेल नहीं काटती कहते
नहीं नखून में,
हाँ सब नखून में
अगर शर्ट में ना पूरा धुल रही, धुल गौहा मन बता रही। पंचनमा किया है ना लाश उतारने के बाद, तो पूरा धुल रही कपड़ा मन।
तो मन ना दिन भर वो मन गिनेप करके वो जतका बेर वो लड़की ले गए रही ना, ततका बेर के वो मला जानवर रही से, तब ओतकी दूर घूम के रहे बता थे मन।
Menka was gang raped and hung from the tree. Her parents have no money to pay for a lawyer. Her younger sisters are too frightened to go to school. At the Women's Support Center in a police compound in Kandhamal, we met Kanak. She had come in search of advice. Her marriage dowry paid for a house to be built, but her husband's family soon turned violent and drove her away. She wanted to find out what rights she had now. Did she have any rights to claim her home? Because Kanak had no proof of marriage nor of the ownership of the house, she was left with nothing. There was little the center could do to help. But in the lives of other women, the center has been able to make a difference. Gayatri had run away with a man when she was 13. But she grew to fear his abusive treatment and had to escape. The center was able to provide a refuge and ultimately even to find a job for Gayatri.
तेरी शादी बहुत जल्दी हो गई, पर तू अभी अपने आप को संभाल रही है ना? हाँ. She's doing a good job. She said that the support center helped her out a lot. I said she's so tiny. She's actually younger than my son, so I'm a little like, wow. She's lived so much already. But she's a strong girl. हम लोग बहुत strong होते हैं ना? औरत लोग बहुत strong होते हैं ना?
As the trip drew to a close, there was time to reflect on all we had seen, all the hope and change, and all the injustice and prejudice that still demands challenging. Women from very different parts of the world and very different backgrounds are coming together to create meaningful change for the better, and that was uplifting for all of us. By working with Oxfam, we saw what difference we can make in the lives of others.
We've been able to make a start and make a difference. Just think how much more we could be doing in the next 3 years where this programme is actually going to run out. I've got lots and lots of hope for that.
I think Oxfam is doing incredible work with the women's issues. They're dealing with small problems and they're trying to kill them at the grassroots level. So I think it's really important that we try and give them some support. Because city dwellers, urbanites, what we do is we just think, oh, it's not my problem, I can't deal with this, there's too many problems, I don't want to deal with it. I thought like that. I've seen Incredible India very closely, and these guys are keeping it incredible for us, so we should support it.